Hello and welcome to Crypto Napa. This channel covers the Polkadot Parachain auctions, reward strategies, distributions, and NFTs built on a star. So subscribe and hit the notifications bell because batch 3 of the Polkadot Parachain auctions has begun. Parachain auctions are auctions that are held on the Polkadot relay chain to determine which blockchain will connect to the Parachain slot. Once auctions begin, then every project on the network is free to submit their bid to the relay chain. These are the dates of batch 3 of the Polkadot Parachain auctions. Which auction will you bid your Polkadot on in batch 3? Don't even worry about it because Crypto Napa's put together the top 10 list of the Polkadot Parachain projects for batch 3. So let's take a look at the top 10 projects now. And coming in at number 10 is Totem in the number 10 spot. Totem is building a global interconnected accounting ledger protocol on Substrate. Totem connects parties to a global accounting protocol that can transmit accounting information without the need for complex EDI interfaces, privately, securely, and as fast as email. And if you want to learn more about Totem, follow them on Twitter. As you can see, they have over 16,000 followers. And this is the Totem website. There's a link down in the description below. As you can see, they're about to participate with the Crowdloan in 16 days. So you might want to sign up to keep following this project here on their home website. What's really exciting about this project are the terms of their Crowdloan. There'll be no vesting for participating with this Crowdloan. You're going to get all your tokens immediately. And the minimum to participate is 5 DOT. And check out these rewards. Wait, check this out. They're allocating 55% of all total tokens to the Crowdloan. So that's the best I've seen so far. And if they reach their soft cap of at least 1 million DOT, they're going to increase the rewards another 10%. And if they reach their target cap of 10 million DOT, all participants will receive a further 10% of rewards for a total of 20%. So this might be a project you might want to take a closer look at. Remember, their Crowdloan participation starting in 16 days from the date of this video. The project in the number 9 slot is SubGame. SubGame builds multiple applications through a complete technical architecture, including game type modules, payment module interfaces, communication, field development, data on-chain applications, cross-chain settlement, and blockchain storage space. Develops more applications that are conducive to the positive development of the ecology, triggering huge industrial changes. You can follow them on Twitter to stay up to date on all their latest achievements. They have over 24,000 followers here on Twitter. And this is the project's website. There's a link down in the description below, so you can go and check them out, learn more about them, interact with this project. As you can see, they have over 22,000 DOT contributed at this point in the Crowdloan. And for the rewards for the contributing with the Crowdloan with SubGame, they're putting up 6.8% of their total token supply for the Crowdloan reward pool. The project in the 8th spot is Geminis Network. Geminis takes Ethereum chain support to the next level. Wasm Edge. Develop and execute high-speed smart contracts with built-in Ethereum compatibility and interoperability in Solidity, Viper, and next-level programming languages like Rust, C++, and Golang. You can follow them on Twitter at Parastate, You can see they have over 14,000 followers. You can keep up to date with the latest updates on Twitter with this project. And this is the project's website. There's a link down the description below. And the Crowdloan reward details are as follows. You're going to get at least 10 of the native GEM token, and they're putting up 15% of the total token supply. 20% are going to be able to be transferred immediately. And there's a 20% bonus for the first 48 hours of auctions 14 through 18 with this project. In the number 7 position is Origin Trail. Origin Trail developed ODN, which is a 100% decentralized, open source, and entirely track token-driven knowledge graph layer 2 solution on Ethereum. Knowledge graph technology allows infinite scaling of data. ODN can be used to share both public and private data, thus enabling all types of use cases. The ODN Explorer search tool empowers for a Google-like approach to connect the dots. A great way to stay up to date with this project is to follow them on Twitter. You can see they have over 40,000 followers on Twitter right now.
The physical and digital worlds are largely disconnected, and we still have to switch in between the two on a regular basis. There is the physical world we interact with daily, including art, healthcare, fashion, education, or supply chains. And then the disruptive digital concepts like blockchain, smart contracts, metaverse and NFTs, and DeFi. But what can tie the physical and the digital in a single connected reality? Origin Trail is the world's first decentralized knowledge graph, organizing humanity's most important assets and making them discoverable, verifiable, and valuable. Advanced knowledge graph technology currently powers trillion-dollar companies like Google and Facebook. By reshaping it for Web3, the Origin Trail decentralized knowledge graph provides a crucial fabric to link, verify, and value data on both physical and digital assets. Forming the semantic layer of Web3, it's driving network effects through the synergy of knowledge graphs and blockchains, which enables Web3 builders to organize, discover, and verify anything. World-class companies are already using Origin Trail to create value for their ecosystems. For example, Origin Trail is enabling frictionless international trade for over 40% of US imports by fostering secure exchange of security audits. The same semantic fabric of the decentralized knowledge graph protects pharmaceutical supply chains, or can be used to organize blockchain data for seamless access to DeFi decentralized applications. The Origin Trail decentralized knowledge graph, powered by the Track utility token and a global network of nodes, is used by leading global organizations and is now ready to bring trillions of assets into the metaverse. This way, assets get to be structured, linked, persistent, and understandable, transitioning from physical to digital, from data to assets, and from Web 2 data silos to the semantic Web 3.
And this is the project's website. There's a link down in the description below if you want to check it out further. And as you can see in the rewards distribution below, they're putting up 25% of their total token supply for the Crowdloan sale. And the number 6 project for the batch 3 of the Polkadot Parachain auctions is Coinversation Protocol. This is a synthetic asset insurance protocol and decentralized contract trading exchange based on Polkadot contract chain. It uses the token CTO issued by Coinversation Protocol and Polkadot as collateral and synthesizes any cryptocurrencies or stocks, bonds, gold, or any other off-chain asset through smart contracts and oracles. And you can follow them on Twitter at Coinversation _, and you can see they have over 33,000 followers on Twitter, and you can stay up to date with all the latest in the projects on Twitter. This is the project's website. There's a link down in the description below. And as you can see, they got the Mint Center, platform revenue, liquidity mining, liquidation, and they're putting up 22.5% of all their tokens for the Polkadot Parachain auction. Let's take a deeper dive into their rewards distributions. The rewards for this project, they're putting up, like we just said, 22.5% of the total token supply. 25% are going to be released on the initial winning of the slot, and the other 75 is going to be kept for the 2 years, and you're going to receive at least 3.75 of the CTO per dot contributed. Okay, so do you even have any Polkadot to participate in this auction? In the number 5 spot, PolkaDex. PolkaDex Order Book is a non-custodial, peer-to-peer trading platform that merges the benefits of both centralized and decentralized exchanges into next-generation decentralized product suite. Thanks to PolkaDex's unique tech architecture, users get the best of both central exchanges and decentralized exchange worlds while trading trustlessly on PolkaDex. And you can follow PolkaDex on Twitter at PolkaDex. And you can see they have over 60,000 Twitter followers. So stay up to date with this project on their Twitter account. And this is the PolkaDex website. There's a link down in the description below. And you can see the PolkaDex Crowdloan is live. Let's go check out the rewards for this project. PolkaDex is putting up 10% of their total token supply for the Crowdloan. And that's going to guarantee you at least 2 of the native token PDEX, and 25% is going to be available for transfers immediately, 75 vested over the 2 years, and the top 1,000 contributors are going to receive a utility-based PolkaDex NFT. The project in the 4th position is Litentry. Litentry is a decentralized identity aggregation protocol across multiple networks. It features a DID indexing mechanism and a substrate-based credit computation network. The protocol provides a decentralized, interoperable identity aggregation service that mitigates the difficulty of resolving agnostic DID mechanisms. Litentry provides a secure vehicle through which users manage their identities, and dApps obtain real-time credit reputation of identity owner across different blockchains. Litentry has a large community with many followers, over 68,000 on Twitter. And we can learn a little bit more about Litentry with this video here from them.
With every click, every sentence written, we generate data that makes up who we are. Unlike real life, however, our digital selves are fragmented across different networks, making a comprehensive view of a user impossible. Traditional internet captures users' browsing habits. In Web3, identities are anonymous and fragmented by design to enhance privacy. But that seriously compromises the services we receive. As such, Litentry introduces a privacy-enhancing identity aggregation protocol. It links identities from different networks and provides encrypted evaluations of users using a deterministic computation system. This ensures no privacy is exposed, while users get a comprehensive identity to obtain better services in Web3. Specifically, when users request ID aggregation, their IDs will be evaluated by address analyzing nodes, which independently index anonymous IDs and evaluate them. Litentry then links these IDs in its aggregation layer. Based on the ID relationships, Litentry obtains corresponding ID evaluation results from AANs and weights them using algorithms from the WASM contracts. Users will receive an aggregated encrypted score that is representative of all of their identities. Aggregated ID helps in scenarios that need user evaluation. For example, those who show project loyalty can win more crypto airdrops. As Web3 evolves, the possibility of aggregated ID is boundless. With Litentry, identity is tangible without being seen.
And now check out the website. The link is down in the description below. As you can see, the Crowdloan is now live. So let's go check out the Crowdloan rewards for participating with this project. Litentry is putting up a reward pool of 20% of the total tokens. So they're going to guarantee you over 8 lit tokens per dot contributed. And there is a 10% referral bonus available. Litentry is going to put up a reward pool of 20% of the total token supply. That's 8 Litentry tokens for every dot you participate with the crowd loan. And the rewards are going to be distributed throughout the 2 years or 96 weeks. And in case they don't get a slot, you're going to be rewarded 0.12 lit per dot. And there's a referral bonus of 10% available with this project. And at number 3 is the Unique Network. Unique Network is a scalable blockchain for composable NFTs with advanced economies. The substrate-built parachain for Polkadot and Kusama are the advanced features and tools range from flexible economic modules to sponsored transactions, fungibility, sustainable NFTs, and interoperability. Unique offers solutions that allow non-blockchain developers to quickly deploy dApps to mass markets with scalability on par with non-blockchain solutions. You can follow them on Twitter. They've got over 30,000 followers, and keep up to date with all the latest from the Unique Network project. And at the time of this video, Unique Network has won a slot, so congratulations to them and the entire community for winning a slot in the Polkadot Parachain auction. The Crowdloan contribution distributions are going to be as follows. It's going to be 15% of the total token supply. That's going to be, for every dot you contributed, 5.28 of the UNQ, the native token of Unique Network. So congratulations to everybody that participated. And this is the website. There's a link down in the description below if you want to check it out and learn even more about the winner of the 14th Polkadot Parachain auction slot. In the number 2 slot, for batch 3, we have the Phala network. Phala network tackles the issue of trust in the computated cloud. Phala's network, distributed computing cloud, is versatile and confidential. By separating the consensus mechanism from computation, Phala ensures processing power is highly scalable. Together, this creates the infrastructure as a powerful, secure, and stable and scalable, trustless computing cloud. Phala's community is huge with over 118,000 followers. You can follow them on Twitter at Phala Network and keep up to date with all the latest updates with this project. You can keep up to date with everything, like they're winning the 13th slot on the Polkadot auction. So congratulations to you and everyone who contributed in the Phala Network Polkadot auction. Congratulations to the Phala Network and the entire Polkadot ecosystem. Parachains.info has a great chart of showing when the slots are won. And Phala reward pool, they put up 10% of the total supply. So for everyone that contributed 1 dot to the crowd loan, you're going to receive 24 PHA, the Phala native token. 15% will be unlocked immediately. 85's going over the 96 weeks. And contributors from the previous Kala and Phala crowd loans will have an extra 10% reward. Check out the links down in the description below, and you can check out their website here and learn more about this awesome Polkadot Parachain project. And the number one project for batch 3 is Equilibrium. Equilibrium has the functionality of all key DeFi apps on one platform, with advanced bailout mechanism for system security. Users can lend all main crypto assets, EQ tokens, borrow all main crypto assets, decentralized stablecoin, synthetics trade, all main crypto assets, and stake the EQ tokens. You can stay up to date with this project by following them at Equilibrium DeFi. You can see they have over 45,000 followers here on Twitter. And congratulations to Equilibrium for winning the 12th auction slot. Equilibrium won the 12th slot with the community contributing over 600,000 Polkadot. So congratulations to us all who contributed to this awesome project. The reward pool was over 9%. For every dot everyone contributed, you're going to get over 200 of the native token EQ. 10% is going to be available immediately, 90% over the 2 years, and there's going to be bonuses for revoters and a 50% early bird bonus that's going to be for up till March 20th. And up to 14% in referral bonuses for this project. So congratulations to everyone who participated with Equilibrium. And don't forget to check out my links down in the description below. You can use my referral link to participate with the Crowdloan with Equilibrium or with Parallel Finance. We both receive a bonus if you do that. So check out those links down in the description below. And as always, Crypto Napa is not a financial advisor. These videos are made strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. And until next time, cheers. Where are you going? We've only just begun. I put all kinds of great links down in the description below. Check them out. And please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Cheers.